worksheet problems. The first question was here. Wave transfers from one place to another place. The wave transfers from one place to another place only through mass, particles, energy and medium. Does the medium move whenever the wave is propagated? No. Are the particles moving? No. So does the mass move? No. So wave is transferred from one place to another place in the form of energy. Energy is transferred from one place to another place. But the particles nor the medium nor the mass will not move from one place to another place. Hence the correct option is option number 3. Next, second question. The dash is a disturbance by which energy is transferred without the transport of matter. So what do we say, sir? The dash is the disturbance. You are not discuss anything regarding the heat. Heat is also a form of energy. Light is also a form of energy. But what do you mean by disturbance? A wave is the disturbance. Wave itself is the disturbance which carries energy from one place to another place. Hence the correct option is the wave is a disturbance by which energy is transferred without the actual transport of matter. Matter will not go, only energy will go. Now moving to the third question. Sound wave cannot travel through. One thing you remember, children, sound wave can travel through air, yes or no? So whenever the air particles, that means the medium here, air particles will start, maybe sound can also travel in solid, liquids or gases. Okay, any medium it can travel because the particles of the medium carry these energies. Okay, the particles of the medium will transport the energy from one place to another place by the vibration of those particles at their respective position. Suppose if those particles will not exist, means then how it is being transferred? The energy can never be transmitted in the absence of these particles. But light can be transmitted from one place to another place without the medium. No medium is required for the propagation of light. But for sound, we require medium in the form of either solid, liquid or gases, because the particles of the medium will carry this energy from one place to another place. So sound cannot travel when medium is not there. When medium is not there means that is vacuum. So sound can never travel through vacuum, whereas light can also travel through vacuum. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Sound cannot travel through vacuum. It can travel through solids, liquids and gases. Medium, it can travel, but no medium, that means in vacuum, sound cannot travel. Now the next question. Formation of ripples on water surface is an example of. So you know, ripples, just now we have considered an example, that ripples and all. So is an example of nothing but a wave motion. The ripples itself is an example of wave motion. It's not circular motion, it's only a wave motion. So the formation of ripples on the water surface is an example of wave motion. Now the next question. A wave is produced by the dash of particles. What will the particles do whenever a wave is formed? The particles will start vibrating up and down, not to and fro, anything. Okay. So the particles start vibrating at their positions, not movement or not rotation. The only answer is the particles. A wave is produced by the vibration of the particles. Now the next question. Two statements are given, children. In wave motion, transfer of energy from one point to another point is possible by the transport of matter. No, we understood that. Only energy is transferred. The matter does not transport from, the matter does not move from one place to another. So this is a wrong statement. Now the statement B. In wave motion, transfer of energy from one point to the other can be possible without the transport of matter. Of course it is true. Okay, so no need to transport the matter, only that energy is being transferred. So without the transport of matter is a true statement. Okay, by the transport of matter is a false statement. So which one is the right statement? Both the statements are true? No. Both the statements are false? No. Only statement A is true? No. So only statement B is true. So now one more question. Clapping our hands produces what type of wave? Is it a transverse wave, light wave, periodic wave or a pulse? I just told you that clapping our hands will produce a pulse. Okay, so with this, let us conclude this worksheet 1, and next class we shall move to the worksheet number 2 after so concept. Okay, so until then, take care children. Have a nice day.